I move that the resolution captured as item number 16 be adopted by this House. Mr. Speaker, the resolution captures the names of the members of the delegation from Ghana to the ECOWAS Parliament, and they include Honorable Bernard Ahiafo as leader, Honorable Roxanne Nelson Eche Kwame Diafemepo as member, Honorable Collins Dauda as member, Honorable Zanetho Ajima Rollins as member, Honorable Frank Anodompre as member, and Honorable Patrick Yabuama as observer. Mr. Speaker, I so move.
Any seconder? Yes.
Speaker, I rise to second the motion move.
Motion for the adoption of resolution moved and seconded for the consideration of the House. Those in favor of the resolution number 16 on the order paper at page 6, say aye. Those against, say no. Honorable members, the ayes have it. The resolution has accordingly been adopted.
Mr. Speaker, I think the constitution of our delegation to the ECOWAS Parliament has also gone along the same tortuous route that the constitution or composition of the Pan-African Parliament delegation went through. A lot of negotiations went into constituting this delegation. Mr. Speaker, the composition that is captured in the resolution, there's still an issue with this composition. And the issue stems from the fact that the ECOWAS Parliament has some very, very firm position on the membership of female members of the delegation. The delegation must have, I think, 30% of the members being women. They don't negotiate, they don't compromise on that. So there's no way you will send a delegation that does not have 30% membership made up of women, and ECOWAS Parliament will accept the delegation. And they now have the speaker being a woman, and they have the first deputy speaker being a woman. And because of the female leadership, they are very, very, very firm on the 30% representation being women. If you look at our composition, indeed, we have only one person as a woman. That is Honorable Ladi Ayamba. We clearly don't meet the requirements of ECOWAS Parliament, and they will not accept this delegation. Mr. Speaker, the position of this Parliament has always been to send the deputy leaders as members of the delegation. That has always been the tradition. The deputy leaders always go to the ECOWAS Parliament. Mr. Speaker, this side is sending Honorable George Kweku Ricketts-Hagan in his capacity as a deputy leader. Mr. Speaker, the minority side also has a deputy leader, and that deputy leader is Honorable Patricia Apiaje. Mr. Speaker, she is the deputy leader, and this House cannot deny her the opportunity to go to ECOWAS Parliament in her capacity as a deputy leader, especially when it helps this House to cure the problem of sending female representation. That is the position of this House.
These are very good, legitimate points you have made, and I agree with you that ECOWAS will not accept a delegation that does not, it happened before, Mr. Speaker, we had to change here. We went back and came back to change. So I agree that ECOWAS will not accept a delegation that does not meet that threshold of 30% for females. In fact, we should even be trying to do more. So I accept it.
And I insist. We have finished with the first motion. And we agreed that in spite of all the prowess of Honorable Yabuama, he should be an observer. The same way we have to agree that my daughter, Honorable Millicent Yebua Amankwa, has to be an observer. She has to be an observer. She is the future. She is a future. She has to be mentored. She has to grow. Honorable members, please. Honorable Brian Achampong, listen to me. Honorable Brian Achampong stands as a national figure, and his membership will add some more value to our delegation in the ECOWAS Parliament. So he will be there as a member. Once the minority leader gives way to the deputy minority leader, we have the gender balance. Honorable members, I put the question. And the question is that those in favor of the motion to resolve that the following members form the delegation of Parliament to the Community Parliament of ECOWAS be approved. And they are Honorable George Kweku Ricketts Hagan as the leader, Honorable Emmanuel Kwesi Bejira, member, Honorable Ladi Ayi Ayamba, member, Honorable Eric Affol, member, Honorable Dominic Napari, member, Honorable Patricia Apieje, member, Honorable Kwame Anyimedu Entry, member, Honorable Brian Achampong, member, and Honorable Millicent Yebua Amankwa, observer. Those in favor say aye. Aye. Those against say no. Honorable members, the ayes have it. The resolution is therefore taken. Please, honorable members, I urge you to work together as representatives of the country, not as representatives of a party in the ECOWAS Parliament and in the Pan-African Parliament. I thank you for your cooperation and the acceptance of my guidance.